This tutorial is on yarn over increases. They're a decorative way to make an increase in your work. They're often used in sweater patterns, such as this ranunculus sweater. They can be combined in different ways to make a nice decorative pattern in your work. They're also often used in shawls. Here you can see a chunky version so we can demonstrate a little more clearly. I'm just going to knit on down a ways and then we'll make a yarn over. And we do this by pulling the yarn in front of your work and then just continuing on to make a knit stitch. By knitting with the yarn in the front, you've created a yarn over. You can see that there where there's a yarn over space with no knit stitch attached to it. We're going to do this again. Pull the yarn in front of your work and now make the knit stitch where you normally make the knit stitch with the yarn in the back of your work. Now this has created our yarn over. You can see the space that it's created there. This will become a little hole and an additional stitch in our work. So it's going to increase the width of our knitting. So this is used in all kinds of mostly sweater shaping or shawl shaping whenever you want to go from X number of stitches to more stitches. Here's the decorative holes, and you can see on our row of work that we just did the holes that are going to appear there as well. You can also see that the width of our work has increased. Now we're just going to quickly purl on down the row, and that'll kind of provide the cap to our last row and show off our increases a little better. Now you can see the increase holes and how it's increased the width of our work. So they're a nice tool for making a decorative increase in your work and used in many patterns.